Hey guys, we're at Drift Evergreen here, and we're gonna go ride along with some cars. I'm Shane, by the way.
Jake.
How long have you been doing this for?
On track for 4 years, but I've had 240s for like 9 years now. I've had this car for 6 years.
I was wondering what the fuck that was.
Yeah.
Can I come for one more?
Yeah.
Since I'm already strapped in and shit.
This is for a sketch. I love sketchy shit.
Adam in the front. Vinny,
Shayne, Andrew, nice to meet you.
Where's the lap hiding at?
The what?
The lap.
There is no lap.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no hiding. It's out. We die like men.
Good, that's good.
I mean, at least my passenger does.
That works for me.
Was fucking wild. He put us in the dirt.
Can I come for one more?
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome.
Holy shit, dude. That's the hardest I've ever dirt dropped in this car by far. Way too much.
Yeah.
Out a little bit.
I was like, whoa, what's up, man?
What's going on?
I'm Shane.
Dan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. you? Awesome. What's up, man? I'm Shayne.
Adam. Trying to drag that finish out. I keep diving. I need to go wider. A lot wider.
Can I come for one more, man?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Nobody's riding with me, so. Amazing the friends you make by just the hobbies. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I knew Gary. Well, I didn't even know Gary. I knew Derek, the buddy that tows his truck, because it was my friend's cousin. And then I met Charlie through drifting. I met Eddie through drifting. It's just now it's just like every time, it's just a drift event.
Yeah.
It's nice.
And everybody's so chill and nice.
People say that drifting, the sport of drifting is completely different than any other sport.
Yeah.
Because it's just, you help each other out, you go have fun. The buddies you compete against are the buddies you drift with on the weekends just for fun. So it's...
All right, guys, it is nighttime now, and they're going to be smashing some pumpkins with their cars. This is going to be sick.
Almost got murdered by a chunk of fucking.
I know. I was telling all you guys back up. We can just leave the pumpkins on the ground for them to hit. Pumpkin King, Dan Malvicio. Second place, Mike. Don't know how to say your last name. Red Mustang in third. We don't know your name at all. That's fine. Yo, roast them till you blow them. Yo, get off the track, Daniel Donuts. Watch out, watch out.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. Make sure if you liked it, you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. This was an amazing night. So make sure you share it with your friends, subscribe, hit that bell icon. I'll see you guys next time.
So heaven if you sent us